How's it going, YouTube? Relic with JP Street Performance. We've got the Infinity G35 here. We've got the Vaydor kit stashed away in the garage. We've been slowly starting the teardown. I got JP with me behind the camera now, so he's actually the master mechanic here. So far, we've just taken off the hood and the front. A lot of this stuff is unbolted, so we're gonna be doing that for you on the camera. And yeah, let's get started.
I've got a 10mm down here at the bottom.
Let me grab the
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, got it.
It's coming. All right, now.
Here's the money shot. Boom!
All right.
Beautiful.
Okay. There you go.
Ooh, dusty.
So you guys can see here, there's two 10mm bolts that hold the bottom of that fender on.
Fucking A, bro. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, that's the only bad part about my truck being in getting tires. I don't run out of my tools.
Yeah, don't have your toolkit. I think it's gonna reach triple digits today, bro.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. That's actually further. That's tough.
You got it?
Got
Nice.
Got it both ways. I just removed the door stop instead, so the door could open just a hair further.
Hell yeah.
Should come up. One fender. So we'll start with the trunk. We'll get the hinges later before we cut the panels, but just finish getting these off.
This little 8mm is for these right here.
Okay, for your head or tail lights?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. There, we're gonna like a little screwdriver. Can you grab the screwdriver out of the car?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Okay. Chop this off real quick. news first. Let's find where your plug is going. Let's plug in here. Okay. Plug.
So what do you think of the hashtag Fallon Vaydor?
Yeah, that's good.
I was gonna do like Nevada Vaydor, but Fallon Vaydor just sounds better, and it kind of puts Fallon on the map.
Yeah, it's kind of like that. Oh, right. You know what? There's a plug right here. There we go. Make my life easy. Okay. Trunk harness. Done. Okay.
Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. This is a master at his craft.
I'll need you to kind of lift up just like that. Right this side. I got it. Here, get these tail lights out of here. Put the tail light here. Should be good to go. You're gonna have to pop that rubber boot out there, but
Beautiful.
all right. So we got
Go inside.
some pins here
Down.
and some bolts in the fender. Let's see in here. There's a bolt there and inside. Should be ready to go right here.
10 mil. Oh, there. I was like, where did the 10 mil go?
Let's see if I can, while you're doing that, I'll look under here, see if I can see these other ones. Oh, just that one and the one in the back. So figure out, just right there. Alright, so should these clips pop off. Anything underneath? Oh, just tail light. One bumper. There it is. Okay. Get rid of that stuff too. Let's see here. Looks like there it goes. Okay. Boom. Just so you know, this housing is actually slid onto this, so you need a pup. goes on like that, and you pop it forward,
Okay.
and then you can get to the plug on the bottom side.
Gotcha. So here, let me try it on this one.
Yeah.
Let me get that tool.
Yep.
Appreciate you. So I'm gonna pop this forward.
Might be easier with that longer flat screwdriver. I did it by hand, but just kind of reached in there and just yanked it forward. Yeah, and just kind of wiggle and pull forward. But. Got it?
No. I'm trying not to fuck up the wires. It's hot.
Yeah, it is. There it goes. Then flip it over to the back side and the plug's right there.
What do I do? Push down on this?
Yep, push down and then pry them apart. It's kind of tight.
There it goes.
There you go.
Nice.
Headlights are out.
Nice.
So,
Same on this side?
should be the same on that side. Push in that little locking tab and then.
Oh, so we push in this little locking tab, slide this down, pop this off. Easy peasy. Yeah. What a fucking savage.
Alright. One down.
One more to go. Thank God it's a coupe and not a sedan, right? We only got 2 doors.
So, it's good to go. Just have to kind of rock it back and forth, and they're just kind of stuck on there. There it goes. Yeah, don't forget to take this little guy off. Well, that's my bad, I forgot, because we only did it on the other side. You should be able to yank it that way. There you go.
Go.
All right, you guys.
Oh, it's already, yeah, it's loosened.
I broke it.
Jeez, damn, dude. Nicely done.
So those unscrew, you guys. They're just a pain in the ass.
It's thread locked on there like a bitch, so it's tough. But then that pops right out.
And slowly the interior comes out.
All right.
All right, you guys. So that ends today's episode. We got most of the large panels off. Again, Relic already had the hood and the fenders loose, so it made for easy work today. Don't get discouraged. It's just kind of take your time, figure out what's holding what when you get stuck on something. But yeah, so until next time, stay tuned.
How about?
Oh.